Hello everyone and welcome back to Talk It Out. My guest today is quite a hero and it is an honor to have her here. Please help me welcome Norman City Sheriff Debbie Armstrong. So Sheriff, you have one of the most dangerous jobs in the city. Tell me, how do you manage to stay in one piece?
Well, Maryann, it is not easy. You have to stay active and energized as much as possible. I can honestly say that is not a problem for me. But, the most important thing is that you must realize that an entire city is depending on you and your men to keep them safe.
Well, you're doing an amazing job, I can tell you that. But after a hard day's work you must feel good coming home to someone who cares about you. Speaking of which, how's the love life? Anything exciting you want to tell the people?
Maryann, I didn't know you were going to ask me this. Well, normally, I like to keep my personal life private. But if you insist, I can honestly say that I couldn't be more happier with my husband. He's doing big things in the entertainment business. And, a big movie production is doing a biopic on him and his band Rockslap. So, look forward to seeing that come out soon.
Absolutely. We are definitely looking forward to it. I'd like to thank my guest Sheriff Debbie Armstrong for coming to the show tonight. When we come back, we'll have world traveler Bucky Andrews on his journey to South Africa. We'll be back with more Talk It Out.
I can't believe he asked you that.
I know. I was so embarrassed that I couldn't even look at him. This is the worst day ever.
Being confronted about your past will feel the way. But it is something that us transgenders have to deal with almost on a regular basis. We won't like it at first. But we must have to dish out anything they try to throw at us. That's how we move forward and become stronger.
So, what can I do now? Delvin now knows the truth about me. Should I go ahead and do the movie despite how he feels about transgenders?
You do what you feel is right. Now, turn that frown upside down and let's get another round of peach mojitos. It's on me.